Hi, I'm Bill Cook, Greenlee County Cooperative Extension in Arizona. Sweet potatoes is the subject today. Probably most of us have started a sweet potato like this. You put it in some water, a pointy end up, and you can see this one's starting to push a little. So this will make a vine. For the sake of a house plant, you can take this after it vines out and you can plant it and keep it for a house plant. They make a beautiful house plant. Or you can break off starts and use those to make more sweet potatoes. I personally am more interested in eating sweet potatoes. So what I like to do is I like to keep one for a house plant. So here's a start that I've made, a slip, and I'm going to put this in a hanging basket. This way I can keep a sweet potato for a house plant and have plenty of slips the following year because I like to grow sweet potatoes to eat. So we're going to plant this here in this basket. This is a slip that I started off of a different house plant. And then we give it a little bit of a fish emulsion to settle it in. And we're good to go. So we have transplanted a sweet potato slip. Now I want more slips. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this one here that we just transplanted and I'm going to cut a piece off. So we have that beautiful piece. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here, I'm going to cut right there at that bud. I'm going to cut some leaves off the bottom. And I'm going to come up here and I'm going to cut at another bud. Here, let's cut a little more. Now this is going to root. We're just going to root it in potting soil. Now this is a good quality potting soil. It's pre-moistened. And this will root. You can also root it in some water. But I like to just go ahead and root it in the soil because that way I have a start like that I can transplant out in the garden. Rooting hormone is optional. You can put it on or not. One thing I like to do is reduce the amount of foliage like this to slow down the evapotranspiration so this doesn't dry out before it roots. And then we just take something like this and we make a little hole, pre-moistened soil, stick the other buds below, pack the soil so that it neither moves up or down or twist. And that's all there is to it. That thing will sprout. This is one here that I started, I don't know, 3-4 weeks ago. And of course this one here will bush out and make a magnificent house plant. This thing will have vines hanging 3 or 4 feet down. Keep it in the sunroom all winter long. Come springtime, make starts, and the whole thing starts over, and I'm eating lots of sweet potatoes.